Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Medea and this is the last part of my free yacht stewardess course. When I started, I couldn't afford the pricey training, so I built this course myself and now I'm sharing it with you for free. If you want today's notes and the printable checklist, the link to my Telegram is in the description. Today is your quick reference SOP as sessions, the tiny rules and sequences you memorize and use every day. Think of it as your on-shift script, short, clear, and repeatable. Start with knock and enter for guest spaces. Knock, pause, then announce. Housekeeping, may I refresh your cabin? If the D&D sign is on, do not enter. Log the time, try later, and inform the chief stew if it's blocking operations. If the cabin is occupied, offer a window. Now or after breakfast at 10:30? Once inside, eyes to task, move quietly, and restore items exactly. AM turn up target 8 to 12 minutes, open blinds 30 to 50% and set AC to preference about 21 degrees, laundry and dishes out, empty the bin and place a fresh liner, bed smooth or remarkable to the photo standard, then lint roll, surfaces go glass, chrome, all other surfaces, finishing with a dry buff. Bathroom, dry finishes, fresh aligned towels, toilet paper with a neat V-fold, restock water or minibar and lock it. Finish with a 3-view QA, soft close, and update notes. PM turn down target, 6 to 10 minutes, set lights warm and dim, blinds or blackout to the guest preference, open the duvet 1/3, place slippers with toes toward the bed and set the rope. Bedside water on a coaster with tidy. In the bathroom, refresh the hand towel and add bath mat if a shower is expected. Keep scent neutral, clear pathways, soft close, and lock. Bed making. Standard, square the sheet to the headboard and tuck hospital corners at 45 degrees. Set the duvet even with logos up. Plumb and align pillows. Center the throw. Final lint roll and photo match. Bathroom reset. Dry everything. Glass, chrome, and stone. Amenities label out and grouped. Bin lined, toilet paper V-fold with a spear hidden. In the shower, remove hair, squeegee and buff glass and dry tap bases. Do a mirror check at raking light before exit. Laundry, sorting and loading. Use the 6 filter sort in this order. Use type, color, fabric, soil, lint behavior, special. Fill to 80% for cottons and 50% for delicates. Leave fist space at the top. Temperatures, 30 for dark delicates, 40 for mixed, 60 for whites and towels if labels allow. No softener on towels or microfiber. Add an extra rinse for active wear. Microfiber goes alone. No softener, no heat. Stain removal logic. Cold for protein, warm for oil. Always toast first. Sequence, scrape, blot, milled, rinse, escalate, air dry, check. Families. Protein, blood, cold, enzyme, rinse, 3% hydrogen peroxide on whites, tannin, coffee, wine. Cold, detergent, oxygen soak on whites, oil and sunscreens, absorb, dish soap or enzyme, warm wash, oxygen on whites. Ink and cosmetics, isopropyl alcohol on a pad, rinse, detergent. Mud and soot, dry remove, detergent, rinse. Finishing a presentation, press, don't iron, Lift, press, lift with a press cloth and distilled water. Trousers, crease from hem to crotch and set with a clapper. Towels, three-folded with logo centered. Sheets folded French fold. Wardrobe, matching hangers, hooks the same way, arranged by category, then color, light to dark. Place settings, 3 course. Outside in cutlery, knife blades in, forks left, knives and spoons right, dessert above, water above, the knife tip, then white wine, red wine, champagne, bread and butter plate upper left, butter knife at 10 to 11 o'clock, blade down. Remove the charger before the main unless your SOP says otherwise. Service styles, side rolls. American plated, serve right, clear right. French and silver, serve from the left with the platter, clear right. English family, host serves or place platters with handles toward the user. Butler tray, use a liner with a non-slip and keep the allergen line ready. Beverage basics, temperatures and pours. Sparkling and sweet wines at 6 to 8 degrees. Rosé and light whites 8 to 10. Fuller whites 10 to 12. Light reds 14 to 16. Reds 16 to 18. Label to guests. For still wine, the host tastes first. For sparkling, twist the bottle to a soft side. Coffee double 17 to 19 grams in 25 to 30 seconds. Yield about 1 to 1.8 to 2. Milk 55 to 65 degrees. Ice is scoop only. Polish all stems. Guests first language. AOTC. Acknowledge, offer, time, confirm. For example, understand it's warm. I can set 21 or 22. I'll adjust now. 2 minutes. Does that work? Privacy and boundaries. Need to know only. No names on the radio. Don't touch devices or jewelry unless necessary. Restore exactly. No photos on duty. Offer to take photos with the guest's device. D&D means do not enter. Log and reschedule. Complaints. Learn. Listen, emphasize, apologize, resolve, notify. First action within 2 minutes. Update at 10 to 15. Log by end of day. Never promise compensation. The chief stew decides. Allergies and preferences. Safety rules. Never guess. Confirm and log. Do a 2-person check at the pass. Chef call, dish and status. You repeat and seat number. Separate tools and zones. Portion safe tips individually. Watch bar allergens like orchid, egg, gluten, and dairy. In an emergency, call anaphylaxis. Assist an EpiPen if trained. Timestamp and log. Radio etiquette, structure. Recipient, you, location, message, over. Her words include copy, will call, affirmative, negative, stand by, say again, over, out, and break for urgent. Press, pause, speak. One topic under 7 seconds. Low volume near guests. Stowing for crossings. If it can move, stow it. Bars in, glassroom down, bottles low, in non-slip bins, appliances off and latched, down waiter locked, watertight, weathertight doors per bridge, fridges temperature logged. In the first 30 minutes at sea, hunt red fools, check bars, and keep bathroom lids down. Waste and recycling. Segregate at source, rinse recyclables, double bag wet loads, and keep glass bags only half full. Never pour oil down drains. Decant to a jerrycan for reception. Hazard items like batteries, e-waste, aerosols, and chemicals go to rigid label bins with engineering. Nothing goes overboard unless the captain authorizes it per law and SOP. Daypacks, Baseline, label names, allergens, road, and time. Use roughly a 2:1 ice to contents ratio. Keep heavy items low and centered. No glass ashore. Build separate allergen-free sets. Carry a waste dry pack. Follow the 2-hour rule for perishables out of the cold chain. Beach club, 10-minute open. Lay not slip attentry, shower and service points, towels stacked and loungers dressed with the shade set along deck. Build a hydration station with still sparkling, any ice with a lid, and cups. Place allergen labeled snacks with separate tongues. Set sunscreen and amenities. Keep waste duct, radio, beach club open, and patrol every 15 to 20 minutes. Gangway watch, never unattended, nothing on the pass rail, great shoes, tag luggage on the dock with name and cabin, radio runners. Quiet ID checks and a visitor log. Refuse politely and call the agent or chief. Update the bridge with POB when parties come on or go off. Minibar and water daily. Restock to par from the preference list. Check dates, seals, and temperatures. Log usage by cabin. Place bedside waters at turndown on a coaster and add non-slip-in swell. Maintenance and incident logging. What to write? Time, location or cabin, issue, action, who you notified, ETA or result, and prevention. Photos only if SOP allows. No guest data in open apps. At sea service adjustments. Lower glass fills. Use heavier bases. Keep trays small with non-slip. Ask for door help. Carry low and use lidded hot drinks only. Remove tall decor, lid snacks, and anchor items that buzz off rattle. Safety quick calls. Internal radio. Fire, 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 location. Floating, location. Medical, location. MOB, side, position. Then follow the master list and keep radio silence unless you have critical info. Timings, training targets. AM turn up 8 to 12 minutes. Master 10 to 12. PM turn down 6 to 10 minutes. Master 8 to 10. Shirt finish 4:30 or less. King flat 3 minutes or less. 4 napkin 4 minutes or less. A 6 top plated course goes down in 90 seconds or less. Stick these mnemonics. BMW, bread, meal, water. Left, center, right. AOTC, acknowledge, offer, time, confirm. Learn, listen, emphasize, apologize, resolve, notify. Press, pause, speak on radio. 6 filter sort, 2:1 ice to contents. Duvet opened 1 to 3rd at turndown. Crew don'ts. Do, be specific. Log everything, close loops, polish contact points, ask when unsure. Do not guess allergens, say names on radio, over fragrance, leave liquids or glass near edges, or leave the gangway unattended. Use these one-liners as is. We'll prepare everything nut-free with no cross-contact. For safety, we're not able to do that underway, but I can arrange this or that. We don't share guest information. Thank you for letting me. I'm sorry. I can do this now or this in 10 minutes. Which do you prefer? Before you leave any guest area, do self-check. Dry, tap, stone, glass, aligned, linens, decor, stocked, water, amenities, no prints on chrome glass, logged, notes, updated. Let's finish with a micro quiz. Which side do you serve and clear in plated service? Which 2 towels change by default at PM? State the radio call structure. First step for blood on a ship. How far do you open the duvet at turndown? Memorize the sequences, side rules, temps, and phrases. Execute the same way every time. Log what you do and adapt to the guest's preferences. That's how you deliver 5-star, low drama service on any yacht. If this helped you, please like and subscribe, share it with someone who wants to work on yachts, and grab today's quick reference SOPs checklist in my Telegram. The link is in the description. I will see you in the next videos. Bye!